I'm working on one of the bathrooms today. I'm taking down these valences. Okay, this valance is, look at the color, it's faded so much. There was an identical one that went right over the curtain rod over here, and I just took that one down. And this one is next. There was a matching shower curtain, but it was also completely faded, and mice had been climbing up the sides of it, so that had to go. Not only because of the mice, but just the color. It's so old and faded and just, you know, nobody wants that anymore. It's out of style. Okay, I'm going to continue. What in the world is this? Okay, I feel like they put these little cup things, I don't know what they are, extensions on here because the shower curtain maybe wasn't long enough. It's definitely crooked here. So did they get the wrong size? Okay, I've got to check that out. I've seen that before. This place is really starting to brighten up. It is sparkling right now. I took down the old valance, both of them, and the old curtain rod. I'm gonna have to get another one. Hopefully I have one that fits. I'll use a temporary spring rod in the meantime. And everything has been completely cleaned, even the windowsill, everything. All right, there's like stains over here, that won't come out, but that toilet needs to be replaced anyhow. I cleaned underneath the heater and lifted up the edges and cleaned in there as well. It was cleaned already by the biohazardous company, but that's never really good enough for me. I always have to do it myself. Clean the doors, the handles, every single one of these shelves, the floor, even the little edges, the door here, the handle. Here's another linen closet. Same thing. Oh, I threw some makeup in there. Here's another linen closet, same thing. Everything's been completely scrubbed. And the floor. And now I'm working on the double sink area. This sink is broken. That was frozen. But the rest of it needs a really good cleaning. These lights are not really bright enough. Okay, almost done. I've cleaned inside of all of these drawers, underneath both cabinets, and the doors, and everything you could possibly touch. The only thing I still have to do are these skinny little cabinets, and the sinks, and the counter. Almost there.